folks, welcome back for all the subscribers with Fortune Star 222. And if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe. And I'm just about to read Intuitive Daily. Okay, and it's about what is the collective energy for today. So in the morning we know how we and indirectly we're going to feel or sense it because it's a collective energy. Okay, so let's see what's it all about. And don't forget, later on after the reading I'm going to also input like a quote that we can discuss it. A quote that supports the energy, okay, just to inspire us to pass the day. Okay, so in 2 days the Venus, the planet Venus is going retrograde, so be ready for that. Yeah. It's exciting because we're going to have a second chance to meet our old friends, old clients, acquaintances. Yeah. So let's see what is today, the energy for today. Universe, what we're going to face today. Why? I don't feel like I want to read it in reverse. Anyway, it's strength. It's a Leo card and a King of Cups. Just keeping in mind, I found it in reverse, but I just don't feel like I want to read it in reverse today. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to explain it either upright or in reverse, so you know. Okay. Okay, the overall energy. Wow, the Queen of Swords. And underneath of that, behind the deck, like under the deck, it's for me, it's like it's something that is just about to manifest, thing like that. Okay, that is coming in our way. In fact, it's the Judgment. The Judgment is the intervention of the universe. It's about the karma. Also, it's karma is about you reap what you sow. Okay, what you've been planting, and it's also reconciliation. Have I told you about the Venus retrograde? Yes, indeed. So reconciliation. Okay. The unfinished business, the open one, okay, you're going to fix it. And the overall theme, the overall energy is the Queen of Swords. The Queen of Swords, she's straight to the point. She cut the bias on her approach. She only speaks the truth and only the truth. She puts her boundaries. She's kind of cold. She's kind of cold, but not always. She just don't want to play the games. Okay. It's an air sign. It could be Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra. Okay, but for me personally, it represents Libra. Okay, and the king of air, like the king of swords is more into Aquarius, and the knight of swords, it's for me it's more into Gemini. Okay, and the queen of swords is Libra, because Libra governed, like ruled by the planet Venus. It's all about life, it's all about harmony, right? Because Libra is the scale, the balance, right? The harmony. So yeah, I think the overall theme is harmony, balancing, and beauty, because Venus is about beauty. Okay, yeah. So that's the overall. Can you see it? Yeah, I finally found the how you call it, setaggio, no, la scena, the scene, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to play. Oh yeah, this one is a strength. It's a Leo card. Okay, whatever you're going to do today, you need to have a strength. So maybe we all, like every day is a new beginning. We start our new day, like our day, with a new spirit. So if you can maintain this kind of spirits, this kind of force, okay, to move on in daily basis, basically, I think there's nothing wrong with that. It's a good thing, right? You don't need to, I mean, like, you don't having strength is not, for me, it's not only in a particular season, so not season, even moment, or you know, it's like facing a new day. Actually, we are brave enough to face another day, like every new day. It's great to be like still breathing, still having a chance to live, just to live, right? And the King of Cups. The King of Cups is all about love, emotions, mature, responsible with his emotions. He's compassionate. Often he's not showing his emotions. Okay, like he also like to calculate, like his emotion is also well calculated to communicate, like approach situation, things like that. He's responsible. Okay, he's responsible of his own emotion and people around him. It's all about love. Actually, he's gentle. He's very gentle, not much speaking. Okay, and I'm going to clarify all of this. Okay, and just make it short. Let's see first, what is the strength card? Well, the King of Cups. The King of Cups. It's a water sign. It can be Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Some say it's Scorpio. Some says it's Pisces. Okay, but for me it's Pisces. Cancer is more into Queen because she's nurture. What is the strength? Universe, tell us more about the strength that we have to face today. Why we need to have the strength to face the day. Tell us more. Ooh la la. No. Okay. Okay. Don't want to see that. Actually, that was the bottom of the deck for this time. to clarify. Okay, it's a six of swords. Okay, and what about the king of cups? What about the king of cups? Give us more hints about his emotions, this love. High priestess in reverse. This is upright. This is reverse. Oops. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Three of Pentacles. And under the deck is Gemini, the Knight of Swords. Now, what about this Queen of Swords for the overall energy? Clarify, please, universe. Give us more clarity on who is this Queen of Swords. Well, what's about her today? Ooh, Sun. It's a Leo card. Ten of Wands. Queen of Cups. Wow. Okay. The overall energy is the Page of Wands. Okay. So now, Leo. The strength. Talking about the collective energy, right? So we are just about heading, like talking about the nodes energy, the planet movements, right? The nodes is moving, changed. It's already changed to, from the axis Capricorn and Cancer into Sagittarius and Gemini. Okay, so let's see why we have, like, what's all about the strength, because when it's the strength, you have to, like, it's a Leo card. Okay, today the sun is in Taurus, right? Today, I mean, now the sun is in Taurus, and Leo should be in your, hold on, let me see. Let me see. Taurus, Gemini, right? Yeah. Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer and Leo. So fourth house is about home. So it's in your home. It's in a fourth house, basically. Maybe it's you need to have strength in your home situation. Okay, because it's a Leo card. Leo, when the sun is in Taurus, basically now we are in a Taurus in Taurus season. Leo is in your fourth house, which is your home and family. You need to have strength for, and indeed, well, I clarified it as you all saw it. I shuffled it, and what it came out, the Seven of Swords. Okay, can you see that? The original tarot deck, normally it's all about a guy sneaking, like escaping or sneaking away from and bringing Five of Swords with two swords. He left it behind, so he's sneaking away, bringing like a thief, basically. Okay, but in this card, see that is a couple, like a couple with a woman. It's a third party. Okay, so there's like a cheating scenario. Oof. told you before, Leo in this moment is it's in your fourth house, home and family. So it's all about your family, your home. And you have also Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups. It's happiness. It's an enjoyment. It's full of life, full of it's totally like fulfillment. Like it's the ultimate happiness basically. 10 because but I told you, I always say that 9 is the highest digit. 10 basically is a 1, right? Because back to 1 digit after 9 is 1, right? So there's a renewal kind of thing at home, in your family. Something just reborn, something just renewed. That's a good thing. That's a good thing, isn't it? Or it's just a completion. It's an ending. You know your situation better than me. Okay, it's general reading. It's a collective energy, by the way. And then what you have also to clarify the strength is the 6 of Cups. If you followed me also yesterday is also came out this energy. It's like fantasizing the past. Okay, look at all the 6 cups there. Basically those are all the happiness. Okay, it's next to her though, but why she's not even looking at it? Cup is love. It's an emotion. It's a good feeling, right? But she's not even looking at it. She's looking at the reflection. She's imagining. She's fantasizing. She's looking into the reflection of the water. Okay, you know that's illusion. It's not real. It's not there. It's just a reflection, right? Instead of looking at these 6 cups there, standing and full, no, just looking to the reflection, reminiscing the past. Probably it's not longer there. All right, and maybe we are already entering to the energy of Venus retrograde. So you're reminiscing the past, or in the home environment. Why you need to have strength? If you have everything's fulfilled with the 10 of Cups, and why you sneak in? Why you look to the other woman when you have all fulfilled? Or maybe you are fulfilled just because there's an existence for another woman in your home and family, and you just realize it that you live in an illusion. Look into the mirror, look into the reflection. Right? It's like you just like, it could be also we realizing as a collective energy. You just realizing what have you been doing all of your past, like what you have been doing, what have you done. So now you just like reflecting, you just like looking what have you been doing through the reflection of your own mirror there. That's why you need to have strength in you. to have an emotional balance within you. He's a mature king. He's emotionally balanced. He's responsible of his own emotion. He knows how to nurture others' emotion because he's compassionate. He's not going to split over all his emotion everywhere, to the neighbors, to surroundings. He's responsible of his own emotion. So, and to clarify that, you have the High Priestess in reverse when it's upright, and then the original deck, there's a column there, right? There's a column there, 2 columns. It's black and white. Okay, it's all about your intuition. It's all the High Priestess. It's all about intuition. It's all about knowing what is beyond by your intuition. When it's in reverse, you don't listen to your intuitions. You don't listen to your heart. You don't listen to your intuitions. And you have also the Ace of Coin in reverse. It's about new beginning in real. It can be a commitment, it can be a contract, it can be something worth and value that it's begin. But in reverse, there's no beginning. There's no new beginning. There's nothing real just about to begin. Not yet, at least. And then you have 3 of Pentacles upright. It's a good thing. 3 of Pentacles in another deck, it's like 2 or 3 people together. Okay, and coins is all about materials. It's all about collaboration, being cooperative, integrating with others to work in a project. Okay, basically that's like being open, okay, to collaborate with others. But in this deck, he's alone. He's painting. He's fantasizing. He's imagining. I'm sorry for my English. Imagining what he can do with his skills. He's in a planning kind of phase. He's imagining. He's visualizing. He's visualizing what he can do. What he can plan to make. What he can do. How he can strategize things to make things real. So he's imagining. He's visualizing it with his skill in this deck. Okay. Wow. And all of this to clarify the King of Cups. Either we are going to deal with our own emotional balance, of our own intuition on how things going to work out, and how you're going to put your worth into work. Yeah. Like how you're going to value your worth. Yeah, how you're going to value your time, your resources, your skill. But you need to put your intuition but yeah. And the general energy, like the overall energy is a Queen of Swords, and to clarify that, you got the Sun. Okay, the Sun is the happiest deck and the happiest card in the deck. Okay, it's all about the massive, like the ultimate happiness of it's like it's in your aura. It's so light, it's so bright, it's happiness. But also the Sun is in Taurus right now. Maybe you're dealing with a Taurus. Maybe we are going to dealing with Taurus. Taurus is normally also it's a hierophant. It's all about structure. It's all about like to organize things, like to do things in purpose for the long-term goals. More structural ways, more grounded, more and it's also a spiritual teacher. Hierophant. It's also Taurus. It's about law. The dark side of the Taurus is rebel. Okay. Either you're dealing with a Libra or Aquarius or a Gemini. And but this energy sees the Queen as all this quality of a Sun. Okay, either she has also like she has a Taurus or Leo on her chart, and also clarified with the Ten of Wands. The Ten of Wands. No, not the Ten of Wands. I'm sorry. The Four of Wands. The Four of Wands is about home. The other deck is about celebration, stability, home, family, and in this deck is about home. There's like a dad and a daughter, playing in the garden. It's about celebration at home. Something cheerful at home. A nice thing. It's a nice thing. And it's all upright, guys. And you have also the Queen of Cups. There's like a nurturing Queen there. Balance in emotion as well. She's really, really good taking care of others. Okay, compassionate as well. Just like the King of Cups, but the Queen, she's more approachable into life, into others. The King of Cups is more close a bit. Yeah. So it's a very nice reading for today, guys. You need to have strength. We need to have strength and put the emotional balance in our focus and project, in our work situation. Okay, we have to keep the emotional balance during the day, and don't forget to put the quality of a Queen of Swords, like to speak only the truth, nothing but the truth. Put your boundaries. Okay, cut the bias. Knowing your self-worth, harmony and balance in anything. So you can manifest all of these characters, like character of the happy home, a happy personality with full of love. Firstly, to us, to ourselves, and to those around us. Okay? Alright, I'm going to find a quote for today that supported this one. Alright, I found this quote from Nikola Tesla. Invention is the most important product of man's creative brain. The ultimate purpose is the complete mastery of mind over the material world. The harnessing of human nature to human needs. It's quite complicated and deep, but let's see. I picked this one because it's also when about the trick points here. He's painting another like a woman there. I think it's also about crafting. It's also about creative being, creative brain, yeah. And new beginning for something real, right? There is no new beginning or something real there, because the coin, the ace of coin, is a new ace, is a new beginning, and the coin is all about the material and real things in the world. And both the high priestess and the coin is in reverse. So I think we need to mastery our mind based to the quote that I just speak now. Invention is invention. So innovative, being innovative, inventing like is the most important product of man's creative brain. The ultimate purpose is the complete mastery of mind over the material world. So the intuition is so important, because our own intuition who tells us, who inspires us in our calling to be creative in a way that she knows. The high priestess knows our skill, what is good for us. We just need to listen. We just need to listen to our own intuition. Everybody is different, so it doesn't need to listen to everybody else. Just listen back to your heart and listen. So it will guide us to be more creative. Okay. To create a new beginning, to create something real. But first of all, we have to master our mind. And our mind, how to master that? So first of all, the balance of our emotion, because subconsciously we think, we decide, we think. Everything what we do is based on our emotion. Yep. You think you try to decide something based on your mind? It's always based on your feeling, your emotion. What makes you happy? What makes you feel good? Your decision based on that. Even you want to have even when you need water, but then you see someone else need some water more than you, then maybe you prefer to give it to that person because he needs it more, and then it makes you feel better. It feels good to you to give it to others. Then your decision based on your feeling, your emotion. So having the emotional balance is really important, because it's going to master your mind. You're going to master your own mind, basically. Be conscious of it. Be conscious of your own feeling, your emotion, so you know how to deal with your own thoughts. Okay? Alright, thank you. For me today, I think it's all good. It's really inspiring. Have a beautiful day, folks. Okay, have a beautiful beginning of 11 May, right? I'm having a bad hair day, so yeah, I'm having this kind of bandana. I don't know. I think it's better. It looks better to me. Alright, thank you guys, and if you like it, don't forget to like the button and push the button like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So, okay, I'm a newbie here on YouTube. So thank you, bye bye.